What's up everyone, I'm Bill, I'm with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another farm truck video. Now before you click off this video, let me explain to you why I think the farm truck build is going to be one of the best builds on YouTube. Now, some of you guys know I've got the big Super Beast and I've got a whole bunch of toys and stuff like that, but I wanted to give you guys a little bit of insight on why this is going to be the better build. Now, I'm not sinking a ton of money into this truck, but I'm making the thing look absolutely beautiful. So I wanted to let you guys in on what I've been doing to the truck, what I've ordered, what I've put on, what the plans are for the truck, and let you guys know that I'm not gonna dump tens of thousands of dollars into this truck. It's a 20-year-old truck. So stay tuned. I'm gonna show you guys what's been going on with the truck. So thanks for sticking around. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and smash that like button. And of course, give me a comment down below. What are you guys thinking? What are you thinking of this truck? Now, the last couple days, Bogdan's been out at a horse show, so I've been tearing into this. Eddie's got some stuff that's doing for the hydro dipping. So without further ado, let's show you guys kind of where we are progress-wise on the Dixon farm truck. Now, it is completely torn apart. We have the gauge cluster out. We've got just stuff sticking out everywhere. But let's go ahead and sit in and tell you guys where we are. So we've got beats finally. Nothing fancy. This is about an $80 radio. I didn't want to do a super expensive radio just in case we get broken into. These trucks are really easy to get broken into. So new stereo with Bluetooth, baby, Bluetooth. So new cubby. You'll see I did replace the heater control. I wanted to make sure that the heater system was completely done. We were having some problems with it, so I've replaced some stuff over here, but let's get to that when we get over there. But heater controls with an LED upgrade for all of the controls. Very nice. We are doing, the gauge cluster is out because we are doing an LED conversion on that and getting it nice and cleaned up. We've kind of rewired the backup camera mirror and just kind of got it all tucked away real nice and clean over here. We got a new light switch and some things like the emergency brake and hood switches. These things are relatively cheap. Some of this stuff isn't very expensive, you guys. So go on Amazon, go on eBay. I've been buying stuff from Amazon and eBay. I would probably say on the interior, I have less than $500 into making this thing look absolutely great. Armrest was tore up, so I found an armrest. We got new pieces that are going around. Eddie's taking care of those. But you can see we've cleaned this thing up. We're just getting it very, very nice and clean. In the back, you'll see we've got some new stereo speakers, some Polk audio. We've also replaced them in the front. Again, these were like $40 speakers, so they're not that expensive. But while we're in here, look at how nice and clean I've got this. All of the trim pieces are out, so I've pulled everything out, and you can just see 20 years of grossness. So we're going to get these things nice and cleaned up. We got the seat belts out. We are going to replace the seat belts because my seat belt was kind of a little frayed. But really what I wanted to let you guys know is, look, you guys don't have to spend a lot of money to make this yours, right? I didn't always have money growing up. You know, I grew up in the system. I grew up as kind of a welfare baby. And so sometimes going back to these roots of having to earn and work for my niceness, right? Because I didn't always have money to buy a nice truck like the Super Beast. I had to take and do everything I could to make it mine. So we've got everything cleaned up. So down here we did replace the fan because it was making noise prior. We replaced the little thermostat thing up here. And then again, Eddie's got a whole bunch of stuff that we're making real nice. We're doing some hydro dipping stuff. And then the seat's going to be coming out. I found a guy that's going to reupholster the seat soon. So we're going to get that done and we'll get new seat belts over here just because. So like I said, guys, you guys don't have to spend a lot of money. But here's the big plans for this truck, okay? So I'm thinking we're gonna Plasti Dip the truck. Plasti Dip can run about $1,000. It's cheap, it's easy, it's quick. It covers up a lot of this stuff that we don't necessarily need to get the body work looking absolutely perfect. So we're going to be Plasti Dipping it. We are going to look at, we've been looking at some wheels. I'm thinking kind of like rock crawler rims with 33-inch tires. The guy over at Dixon Wheels, he seems to think that I can get 33s on here. It is a K3500, so it's kind of lifted up, so we might be able to get that taken care of. We're keeping the camper shell on. I've told you guys this truck is my truck for carrying equipment and stuff like that when it's raining, so we do get a few days rain. But I'm thinking for the rear bumpers and the front bumper, I'm thinking the new move, or not new, but the move bumpers. The problem is that I got to find somebody to put them together. Then I think I'm going to rhino line them. I think that would kind of look cool. And then the Plasti Dip for the front. Now, the motor is the plant of all of this. This is the reason why I'm doing this to the truck, because of the motor. I put so much money into the motor, and well, I put more money into the motor. So we've got the upgraded turbo wheel in the turbo. We've got the S&B air filter. We've got the high output fuel line, or the high output fuel pump. We've got the PMD module relocation up here. But, oh, and we have the 6.7 converted for you guys that are 6.5 guys. We've got the conversion for the fan, so there's some Hummer parts in there. But we just ordered the new turbo, ball bearing turbo. I can't wait. I'm super excited because it's supposed to spool up very, very nice, very, very quick. So I'm just excited. So we're going to be getting everything kind of pieced together in the next few months with this thing. It's not anything that I'm in a big rush for. It's actually been sitting here just kind of dormant, but I drove it the other day and I was like, God, I absolutely love the way this thing drives. So I'm just going to do it. So I get in and here we are. So I've been cleaning it. So you guys, you look, taking a 20-year-old truck and making it like new, making it yours, it's easy. It really is. I've been using magic erasers. If you guys don't use magic erasers, buy them in bulk on Amazon. They're absolutely wonderful. But I've just wiped down everything. Everything has been just wiped down and clean. The seats will come out and everything. So stay tuned, because I've got a lot of stuff that I want to do on this, but like I said, I'm keeping myself on a budget with this thing. It's a 20-year-old truck. I don't need to sink $30,000, $40,000 into the truck. So hopefully you guys will like this video. Please smash the thumbs up button. It's more important than you guys know, but comment down below, what do you guys think? 33 rock collar rims. I'm thinking 17-inch rims. The color of the truck, which color do we go? I'm thinking kind of army green, or maybe a little bit dark forest green. The interior is basically staying, but what do you guys think about the seat? I'm keeping the bench seat in there, so what seat colors should I do? The interior is going to have some camo in it, some digital camo, I think is what we decided on. So we've got some stuff going on, but thank you guys for sticking around. Make sure you smash that like button and hit that subscribe button down below, and leave me a comment what's next on the Dixon farm truck, and give me you guys to comment down below and tell me what you guys are working on right now, because that's really what's important. Is, look, I interact with all of you guys and I'd love to hear about everything you guys got going, so make sure you comment down below. But until next video, thanks for the update and thanks for sticking around with me, guys, and we'll see you next video. Thanks, guys.